remain seated, please sit down, okay? Yes, please take your seat. Okay, ready? Okay, looks like everything is all set. Now what goes for Tina? Beautiful fly by Vega and Tina. Now we need 3 more volunteers, 3 more. So with powerful wing flaps, long tails and sharp eyesight, this allows them to be very maneuverable and agile while flying. So these 2 birds, they are going to fly from 2 different ends of the stage and try to meet each other's flight path somewhere in that center hoop. So center volunteer, keep your hoop straight and steady. Hi, the lady in pink, please sit down. Thank you very much. Now volunteers, are you ready? Patina ready? Ready, go!